How to get your first 1000 subscribers in 24 hours. I tried this strategy in my new channel, and in 24 hours I was able to get 1k subscribers. I am not even joking. I got my first 1000 subscribers in 24 hours.
I opened this my channel 3 months ago. You can see, though I wasn't posting consistent, I just posted once in a month on the channel. I was posting mostly shorts, and that may be short in one short in 2 weeks, and maybe one video in 1 month. So I just kept the channel there. Like, I love recording my lifestyle, so I felt I could just be dumping my videos there. 2 weeks ago, I decided to take the channel seriously, and I was getting views, but not much views, but I was posting consistently. So I woke up 5 days ago and I decided to try out this strategy, and it worked. Look, this for the 2 weeks I posted, I was only able to get 26 subscribers. 26 subscribers from the long form video, because the 2 weeks I was posting consistently long form video, no short. 20 I was able to get 26 subscribers. So this particular shot gave me one. Look at it, got 39.4k views, and this particular shot gave me 1.1k subscribers in 24 hours. Not in 2 weeks, not in 2 months, not in 3 weeks, in 24 hours. And while I was implementing it and I was using the trick I said I will share at the end of this video, my channel was getting views, and my watch hours was going up. And this particular shot and the strategy I put in and the tricks was all I need to get my channel to get those views and start doing well.
I know you have been posting, editing, stressing, and yet your subscribers and your channel is still very slow. Meanwhile, people gain 1000 subscribers in 24 hours or even less. Make sure you watch to the end of this video. I'll be giving out extra tips on how you can optimize this method and might even gain more than 1000 subscribers in a day. I opened this channel a while ago and wants to use it for my lifestyle. I did this method and boom, it worked. Let me show you how.
So to be able to do this, you have to go to your YouTube app. You look for shorts, well performing shorts. Yeah, I'm looking for a really well performing short that we could use, so that I could show you. I searched and searched, and make sure while you're searching while you're looking for this short, make sure the short is not more than 3 months old. It should be less than 3 months old, not more than. So I looked for shorts here and I couldn't see short that was going viral or doing really well. Another thing about this strategy is that if you're doing lifestyle, also look for a lifestyle short channel that is doing really well. You can use it. If you are, just check a channel in your niche that is really doing very well, that their short is going viral back to back, and use their short to achieve this aim. Well, I looked for short and I couldn't get one. So since I didn't get a viral shot on my feed, I decided to let's try searching from the search bar to get a viral video. While we are looking for viral video, make sure that every video you're going to use is less than 3 months old. It shouldn't be more than 3 months old, because any shot that has trended a year ago has a high tendency that it's when you use that shot, it might not trend very well because it's an old trend. But then we are in the era where things trend in the past and retrend. You might likely get a viral video from the shot, but then our advice to use a shot that is less than 3 months old. So I typed in for trending short, and all the ones I got was 1 year, 2 years, 3 years old, and I didn't want to use that. I wanted to use a short that is less than 3 months old. After checking out, I didn't see, so I decided to use this channel that I know their short is always doing well. This Glory Pick, their short, every short they upload is a bag, like it gets millions of views. So while I went to the channel and I got one of their shorts. So this, you can see all their shorts, the popular shorts are getting really massive million views. Which short are we going to use now? So let's make use of this one. This one said if you are going to school, which YouTubers, that is your favorite YouTuber you're going to use, and which of their car you're going to use. So he said Cristiano Ronaldo, Speed Darlington, and the Speed, I show Speed and the rest. So this is kind of short you should be using, shorts that also trigger people's emotion. As in as much as the shorts gets millions of also use short that will trigger their emotion, short that will make them subscribe. Like this short will tell them, do if you like this person, ignore, if you like this person, like, if you like this person, subscribe, if you like. So this kind of short actually triggers people's view and will make them subscribe, it will make them like, it will make them do whatever you want them to do on your channel. After you have chosen the shot that you're going to use for the collab, you're going to click on those arrow that are like they are in a circle shape, and while you click on that arrow, you're going to get collab, use this template, use this sound. Make sure you click on collab and you allow it to process. After it has finished processing, it's going to bring you an interface like a meshed video between yourself you're going to be showing and this video you're doing a collab with is going to be showing as well. While at it, make sure there is no noise in your background, because if you make noise in your background while people play this video, they're going to be hearing those noises in your background, and if your background noise is overshadowing this video or is much more like is very very noticeable, this is going to make people not to really enjoy the video and many will click away. If people keep clicking away, YouTube will stop pushing your short. So you make sure there is no background noise, and if you're in a very noisy place, you can mute your mic. After doing the collaboration, you have make sure that you have pressed your record icon, you have recorded, your mic is muted. Then after that, you allow it to process. It's going to take you to where you're supposed to post it. This is where another trick, you apply another trick in your caption, that is your title, your short title. Do not put any ordinary word. Just make sure you are filling this place in with tags. Put as much tag as the space allows you to put. You can put 5, you can put 6, you can put 7, you can put 8, you can any amount of tags that this place allows you to put. Make sure you are putting tags. Put tags that is related to your niche. Put tags that will make this viral tags. Put tags that will just fill in this place with tags. Let me give you an example of tag that you can use that will make your account, that will make this, that has a very high tendency of making this short go viral. Put hashtag blow this account up, hashtag blow up, hashtag short feed. Just make sure you're filling this place with tags. I notice the more tags you use on this caption outline, the more your video has a tendency of going very viral. And please, while at it, you can post as many short as possible in a day. People post more than 10 shots, people post up to 5, 3, 2, 1, but make sure you're posting more than 3. The one thing I've noticed is that the more shots you post, the more your tendency of going viral gets higher. You get short in your niche. If you are doing lifestyle, look for a short lifestyle channel and take their shots and do this collab. Any niche you're into, look for a channel that has viral shots and use it to do this collab. So post more. Imagine if you're able to post 10 shots in a day and those 10 shots get up to 30k views, 20k views, and you're getting like 500 to 1k subscribers from these shots in a day. So imagine in 24 hours how many subscribers you're going to end up with, how many people are going to subscribe to your channel. This is the strategy that many small channel use and get their first 1,000 subscribers in a day.
Hi my face, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of you coming across this channel, hi, my name is Favor, and on this channel I share simple tips and tutorial on how to help you on YouTube and the online space. So if this is your goal, which I know is your goal, please subscribe, Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me in the comment section. While at this, if you know that your channel is mainly a long form video channel, that is the channel that posts mostly long form videos, make sure why trying out this strategy, you are also posting your long form in your channel. Post your long form video in the morning, or you post it at night. Then use this strategy in the app in the morning. If you are going to post your long form video at night, try out the strategy in the morning. If you are going to post your long film video in the morning, that is your schedule to post in the morning, you know your time, you know your posting time and all that. If you are scheduled to post in the morning, try out the strategy in the night, in the evening, but make sure you are giving at least 5 to 6 hours between each, and which can also help you bring subscribers to your channel. And another important thing, why you should be doing this is because while you're driving traffic to your channel, you're also telling the algorithm that this channel is not a short form channel, because why this short has a very high tendency of going very viral and bringing on subscribers. You're also explaining to the algorithm that this channel is a long form video channel. The short that is going viral is just for you to bring on audience or bring in subscribers to your channel. This helps to balance your channel and keep it in check. If you continue with only this method whereby you're posting short and it's going viral, you have a high tendency, and you're not posting your long form video, you have a very high tendency of telling the algorithm that your channel is a short form video, is a short channel, which will have a bad effect on your channel. Hereby, when you post your long form video, those long form video will not be getting any views. This part of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.